Alright, I had to get out here because they were pulling up all the towel animals that they just put out. Little towel animals everywhere. But they already pulled up the big one in the doghouse. Not sure why they do that. Already starting to sprinkle again. This is getting old. Really old. Rain every day almost. Well, yesterday was a nice day. I see they fixed the doors. Those doors were broke for a couple of days. Alright, so nobody's going to take their stuff, I guess, when they tag their chairs. They chained them together. We're going to start off with an omelet for breakfast. Terry got a little muffin, but she's going to go get some oatmeal. But I'll be going back. Kind of crowded down here this morning with the weather. Not a pretty day by any means. All right, and on the last day, they finally have Raisin Bran. And yet again, getting old.
So please don't swap any door decorations. I've seen some good ones there. The Halloween ones were amazing.
They were really cute.
Especially the ones with the candle. Did you see this one?
Yes, I did.
Orange.
Sometimes I worry about it.
Oh,
She's the only one out
Reese's
there.
cups, the Reese's big cups, the Reese's thin cups, the Reese's double cups, the white chocolate cups, the dark chocolate cups, the cups with the pieces, the cups with the pretzels, the cups with the potato chips. Try them. Reese's cups with the potato chips inside. Yeah, surprisingly good. We have the Reese's pieces, we have the Reese's, the bars, the fast food, take five, that's it. You know, Big, have you seen the movie Big?
Yeah.
Like that. So he's like this big, high-flying executive, but just acts like a kid all the time.
We would say good morning, day 8, but we've been dodging rain all day long.
Morning.
All morning, whatever. We ran in, undercover, out of cover, cover, out of cover. This is like the 4th or 5th time we've been out here. We've exchanged towels twice.
Yeah.
Yep, twice.
11 o'clock.
It's 11 a.m., but
Pickleball got canceled.
pickleball got canceled, so kind of hard to play that in the rain, unless you like breaking a leg. But that is a saying, isn't it?
We're going to see if it'll clear up.
All right, so we'll bring you anything else. We're going to probably give up if this keeps up for another hour or so. And then we'll bring you whatever else we do to you. See you in a little bit.
Next one. Oh, keep up. Okay, we're down to 5. Okay, we're gonna go 3, 2, 1, go.
And here we go, yet again, and there she is. Nice. It's not the same video either. It's a different storm. They even had some lightning and thunder on this one. Seems like a never-ending job. point is to keep the water from getting over there by the doors. And then it just keeps flowing across the deck over there. The drains cannot keep up with the amount of rain we just had. All right, no towel animal today because it's the last day. It's like a thank you card. These guys have been partying all week, all of them. So there's 7, and that's the 8.
Okay, I'm good.
A little bit of pig and anchor time. What are you doing out here? I'm good. All right, pig and anchor only open on sea days.
Then you order here. You order here?
Yeah, babe. All right, Terry, what'd you get?
Chicken and brisket, macaroni and cheese, beans, coleslaw, brown sugar, and this here is in Kansas City.
Well, I got the pork, the chicken, the potato salad, and the beans that Terry will pay for later.
Sure.
And then I squeezed sweet barbecue sauce all over it. Yummy.
By throwing all of her clothes overboard. That's that noise. And that is not on.
Kim is the memo.
Yeah.
We're at Carnival now.
Yeah.
Now do you want to?
Bigger than twice! Bigger than 3 times! Give it up for Vincent, that is on. You have won $1,000!
Here we are with Percy, the best bartender out here at the pool.
My best friend,
My new best friend.
Mr. Patrick,
He brought us beer, so
I taking care anytime.
he did. He'll be here on the Carnival Magic till April. So if you get on the Carnival Magic, look for Percy. He's the best bartender out here.
Thank you for everything.
You got. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome, sir.
Babe, tell them where we're going.
We're going to dinner because we are going to eat at the Italian restaurant because we got it free from the casino with the free bottle of wine. So it's going to
Wine?
be very nice.
I'm gonna skip the line probably.
Oh boy.
Anyway,
It's going to be nice.
yeah, it'll be fun. We'll let you know how it is.
Here we go.
All right, up we go.
Yes, we should begin. Oh, man, the world begins to give me fondness in every way. I saw the rainbows, everybody happy, so let us see.
We got bread to start with. Yummy. Terry, what'd you get?
Minestrone.
Minestrone soup. Then I got the mussels and clams. I thought they'd be in a red sauce, but they're in a butter sauce. All right, Terry, what'd you get?
I got chicken parmesan inside of spaghetti. Looks delicious.
Spaghetti, yummy, yummy. And I got the same thing, ditto. Okay, Terry, I won't ask you what it is because we can't pronounce anything.
Lemon cake.
Yeah, like
cake.
lemon cake with ice cream and like a whipped cream And then I got, it's like an apple pie with caramel ice cream on top. All right, so we just got done with Cucini del Capitano, the Italian restaurant.
We are stuffed.
We are stuffed. Now we're gonna go to the buffet. No, we're not gonna go to the buffet. Later maybe, but you never know. But anyway, the food was really good. It would be $18 a person if you want to pay for it. We got to do the casino, sorry.
Yeah.
And then, but the appetizers were all yummy.
Yep.
As you saw, I got the mussels. They were good. I thought they were in a red sauce, but they weren't. But our meal was really good, but the desserts,
Lacking.
one of them was like an apple pie that you saw that I ate. She got the lemon sorbet, it's almost
Did not
like
like
a cornbread dipped in lemon sauce. And the middle one was coffee ice cream and something else. So,
But we both got chicken parmesan. It was delicious with spaghetti. But even on the ships, I'm not really over impressed with their dessert, so I'm not surprised. But I'm glad we got to try it.
yeah, especially for free.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you at the closing video. No hot chocolate down there. Not that I have any place to put it. Give me a little while. Even the bar is not busy. So I guess we're heading back to pack. Alright babe, where are we going?
We're going to see rock.
American Rock.
Yeah. Should
Alright.
be good.
Yeah, we'll bring it to you.
Yeah.
Rocks. We are going to be rocking out here. The last few shows have been, everyone's been very, very according, very clapping, just sitting on the chairs. This time go wild, go crazy, jump up and down, throw your babies in the air, take your clothes off.
All right, that was a pretty good show.
Yeah, we liked it.
Yep. All right, so now we're on to
The comedy show.
comedy
The
show.
comedian.
It'll be the first one we've made since we've been on here.
Yeah.
Because one of them didn't make the show because of the hurricane. So comedy it is.
All right.
For comedy.
And they stay there, and they stay there, and they stay there.
Hi. We just got out of the comedian show and he was really, really funny. We
We
really
got to
liked
see his
it.
butt.
Oh, yeah, he mooned us.
Showed us his
It
butt.
was shocking. It was fun.
But
It was fun. He was very funny. We liked him. I went and gambled a little bit, but I lost all my money. And now we got to get up early in the morning and be at the Diamonds Lounge to get off the ship. We have to be up there by 7, so we're already packed, so we need to get to our room and go to sleep.
Yep.
So it's been a good day. It's been a good cruise. We had lots of fun with my lovey.
But it's the last night.
It's okay. We had a fun time.
It's the last night of hot chocolate because
Chocolate is good.
hot chocolate is
Very
good.
good.
All right, next up, the Carnival Pride on December 4th out of Tampa. So we'll see you then. And I'll try to get all these videos up in the next week. Oh, they're already up. You're watching it. Never mind. See ya.
See ya.
Okay, this is the shuttle over to the other terminal. There's your line. And not a shuttle sitting here waiting. Now you think they would have had this planned a little bit better. Okay, the buses have arrived about 10 minutes later.